Number 1. 1966 Skylark, $12,500, Bonsall, California. This 1966 Skylark is a complete classic coupe, priced well for a hands-on project. It has a rebuilt 8-cylinder engine, which is a major advantage for a restoration. It shows 60,000 miles, rear-wheel drive, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. The body needs attention, especially the left rear quarter panel, and the interior upholstery requires a redo. It has been sitting, so it will need fuel and a battery to start. For someone wanting an affordable start in classic American coupes, this is a solid base. Number 2. 1962 Oldsmobile Super 98, $3,500, Lower Haight, California. This 1962 Oldsmobile Super 98 4-door hardtop offers strong mechanical value thanks to its rebuilt high-compression Rocket 394 cubic inch V8 with only 100 miles on it. It has 77,000 original miles, rear-wheel drive, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. It runs well, shifts smoothly, and shows no leaks or rust. The interior is mostly original and very nice, while the body needs paint. With power steering, power brakes, window seats, and bold styling, this is a large cruiser with real road presence. Number 3. 1970 Nissan Datsun 240Z, $5,000, bill of sale only. This 1970 Datsun 240Z Series 1 project has the early features collectors want, including a numbers-matching engine and 4-speed transmission. It was last registered in 1995 and has been sitting for many years. The seats were replaced, the body looks solid, and the seller notes no signs of earlier accidents. There is some rust underneath, typical for early Z cars. The title was lost in a fire, so it comes with a bill of sale only. For enthusiasts wanting an authentic early 240Z, this is a desirable restoration candidate. Number 4. 1985 Monte Carlo, $8,800, Denver, Colorado. This 1985 Monte Carlo coupe is a well-running example with many mechanical updates. The 8-cylinder 350 engine was removed and resealed, and it received a new radiator, alternator, battery, electric fuel pump, distributor, wires, and spark plugs. It has 150,000 miles, rear-wheel drive, an automatic transmission, and a clean Colorado title. It starts easily, shifts smoothly, and performs strongly. For buyers wanting a dependable classic Monte Carlo, this one is ready to enjoy. Number 5. 1980 Datsun 200 SX, $2,999, El Paso, Texas. This 1980 Datsun 200 SX is a strong running survivor with the 4-cylinder Z20 2.0-liter engine featuring 8 spark plugs and fuel injection. It has 150,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a clean Texas title. The seller notes the body has no rust, a major advantage for this era of Datsun. Known for reliability and simplicity, this is a practical classic that is easy to maintain. Number 6. 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $6,500, Reno, Nevada. This 1973 Super Beetle is a registered classic with a long maintenance record dating to 1992. It has 53,569 miles, odometer rolled over, rear-wheel drive, a manual transmission, and a clean title. The engine was professionally rebuilt in 2006 at 139,873 miles, and it has newer tires from 2019. It comes with the original 1973 owner's manual and decades of records. For someone wanting a Beetle with documentation and charm, this one offers strong value. Number 7. 1968 Mustang, $6,500, Calipatria, California. This 1968 Mustang Coupe is a fair project, powered by a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It shows 204,165 miles, has rear-wheel drive, and a clean title. The seller describes it as a good restoration start, and the plates are on non-operation status. 6-cylinder Mustangs are excellent beginner projects with simple mechanics and easy parts. For someone seeking an affordable entry-level Mustang, this is a workable platform. Number 8. 1963 Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe, $8,000, Brock, Nebraska. This 1963 Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe is a running project with a 302 engine and C4 transmission. It has 126,000 miles, odometer rolled over, rear-wheel drive, and a clean title. Recent updates include tires and rims, exhaust, wiring harness, radiator, alternator, water pump, 4-barrel carburetor, fuel pump, fuel tank, and wiper motor. The engine needs some attention, but the car moves under its own power. This Fairlane offers a strong starting point for an early 1960s Ford build. Number 9. 1955 Buick Special, $10,000, Huntington Beach, California. This 1955 Buick Special 2-door is a well-preserved classic with excellent mechanical reliability. It has 70,951 miles, an 8-cylinder nailhead V8 recently rebuilt, a 2-speed automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a clean title. It starts immediately, even after sitting, and can be driven daily. It has no rust, strong chrome, functional gauges, and a clean overall appearance. With its solid body and smooth drivetrain, this Buick is ready for cruising or light restoration. Number 10. 1956 Mercury Monterey, $9,500, Yucaipa, California. This 1956 Mercury Monterey 4-door sedan has 89,000 miles and a clean title. It was running when parked over 10 years ago. Completed work includes a clean fuel tank, new fuel lines, a new master cylinder, refreshed brakes, and a rebuilt carburetor. It starts but does not stay running, likely needing fuel delivery adjustments. The body is in very good shape, making it a straightforward mid-1950s project with solid structure. Number 11. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, $15,000, Seattle, Washington. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu 2-door hardtop is a complete and solid example. It shows 66,137 miles and has an 8-cylinder 350 with mild upgrades such as headers, dual exhaust, an aluminum intake, and a Holley carburetor. It runs, moves, and stops, though it has been stored and needs final sorting. The trunk and floors are solid, but the driver's quarter panel needs attention. With a clean title and keys, this is a desirable late 1960s muscle project. Number 12, 1963 Pontiac Bonneville, $13,900, Clackamas, Oregon. This 1963 Pontiac Bonneville sedan is a garage-kept classic that is nearly restored. It has 55,451 miles, rear-wheel drive, an automatic transmission, and a clean title. The body and interior are in excellent shape with clean chrome and straight lines. The engine is strong but needs fresh fuel to run. Recent work includes shocks, plugs, wires, distributor cap, battery, coil, and points. This Bonneville has the presence and comfort that make early 1960s Pontiacs collectible. Number 13, 1978 Chevy Monte Carlo, $12,950, Oak Grove, Oregon. This 1978 Chevy Monte Carlo coupe is a well-maintained, mostly original car with 98,043 miles. It has a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine making 145 horsepower and a 3-speed automatic transmission. It has rear-wheel drive, a clean title, cruise control, air conditioning, stereo, and newer tires with less than 300 miles. The white exterior and blue interior present well. As a second-owner car since 2004, it shows careful upkeep and remains an honest late 1970s classic.